Hi, today I have another Telfar unboxing. It's the Chestnut Telfar Earth collaboration shopper bag. So if you have seen my previous unboxing, you're probably wondering, did I get another one or what? So I didn't get another one, but the previous Chestnut one, when I got it, I had issue with the magnetic closure of the bag. It just not well attached, that it's a little bit loose from the back body. So I contacted them, and they provided free exchange. So I shipped the bag back, and now after probably maybe 2 weeks, I don't remember for how long. It has been a while. They finally shipped me the replacement. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't know if this one is going to be in better quality. I love Telfar, but because of their production, they are using multiple manufacturers, so quality is a little bit inconsistent. So, and I'm a little bit nervous open this up, so because I really don't want to go through another exchange, or because by the time I get it next time, winter will be over already. So hopefully this one turned out okay. Let's see. Surprisingly, they didn't use FedEx this time for the replacement. It actually came using the UPS shipping. So hopefully that's a good sign, and I think I will put the box down. Let's hope for the best. Gonna just tear the paper open. Just wondering if there's scratch mark, but I think I probably can brush it off, since this is suede material. Take a look at the back. Looks okay. Bottom still a little bit kind of slouched down already, but let's take up the paper. Yeah, this is how they package their bag. So when you first get it, you have to deal with that. So you just kind of hang it up for a while, for like this one, and then it will look better. So you just need to hang it up. So let's see. Not sure if you can see the magnetic closure in the middle here. Compared to the black one, it's still not as perfect as the black one, but this one is definitely better assembly onto the bag. So I guess I was right that the other one was just too off, like the magnetic closure just not attaching to the body of the bag so well. They did try to stuff the bag nicely, so that's nice, and it did come with this dust bag, cotton, I think cotton fabric dust bag. Zipper is okay. Yeah, the bag did come pretty scratch up. I will have to find a soft brush to brush it out. I think with suede you should be able to brush out the imperfection. And compared to the last one I got, the shearling seemed to be more fluffy this time. Maybe just my imagination, but let's compare to the black one. I think like the black one still may be a little bit better. What do you think? I feel like the black one is definitely more fluffy here. And with this chestnut color, yeah, you do see inconsistency. Here one side is more fluffy than this side, so yeah, this one you can actually see the edges thicker. The other side is more evenly. Is this perfect? No, it's not, but you know, I think I'll just deal with it. I mean, as you can, not sure you can see here, this this scratch is actually quite deep, but I could feel it. I think even I brush it out, it will be lightened, but I think I could still see a little bit of it because it's basically cut into the leather. It's not just like scuff. But at this point, I kind of just giving up with this crazy Telfar and UGG collaboration issue. I'll just use the bag at this point. I don't know. I think, yeah, quality issue is really a big thing. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see when you just got a new bag and it has a deep scratch right on the logo. But well, at least nobody would notice if I don't talk about it or when I use it. That's the positive side. Yeah, it's not so noticeable unless you examine it closer. So I do like how functional Telfar's shopper bag is. So I'm just going to use it and move on because I just want to enjoy life, especially now, we are slowly coming out of pandemic, and yeah, just focus more on enjoying life and have fun and out and about with our Telfar shopper bags, and just move on and enjoy life. And I hope this help you if you are looking to buy a Telfar bag, or if you're looking to buy your first Telfar bag. You probably want to be aware that quality wise is a little bit inconsistent, and that's kind of the norm. And my green one, the faux leather one, the corner of it actually has a split. So after I use it like 5 times, it started to split. And I mean, I did talk to their customer service, and they did offer to have me send in for replacement, but it's not noticeable now. But I don't want to replace it because it's a faux leather bag. It's basically PU leather plastic. So I'm just going to use it until it breaks, because I don't want to keep replacing it. They are just going to go in the waste, you know, go in the trash mountain somewhere or the ocean. So I don't think I like to think about that. So yeah, I probably not going to buy more unless they come out with a leather version. So due to the nature of the faux leather they use, I probably not going to get another faux leather version of their shopper because it just chip too easily and it show white once it's chip or scratches. So or when the corner split, you will start to see white that from the plastic they use. So I hope they make a simple black leather or colorful leather like real leather version. I probably would jump on that, but for now I don't think I'm going to take a break from the faux leather shopper. And let me know if you have run into this situation that your bag from them cheap, and if you don't replace it, do you use how do you repair it? Do you touch up it with some kind of pen or marker or paint? Let me know if you have any suggestion. I hope this video helps you with your shopping decision, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks.